Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a list of references in Microsoft Word. My name is Alwyn. Thank you for joining me. Please watch to the end and make sure you subscribe. I do value your support. Thank you. So where are you getting your information from? Which sources are you accessing to get this actual information that you create in your document? And that's what we're really working with. So we're creating a list of references. So I'm going to go to the References tab on the top. I'm going to go to Citations and Bibliography. In this group, I'm going to click on Manage Sources because now we need to indicate where we got all our source information from. So you're going to see I've got a master list as well as a current list. Master list will be then utilized in any document that we open on this computer. I'm going to click on New. And where is this type of source? So where did you get your information from? Is it from a book? Is it a book section, journal article, etc., etc.? So you can see there's a big list over here of information that we could get our sources from. So we're going to leave it as a book. And I'm going to do something very simple. So let's add an author. Let's say Smith, John, and add. Let's say Thomas, Sue, add. So these are two authors that I'm now indicating. I'm going to put in the title. Let's say, how do I reference? And let's say the year is 2012. City, let's say Johannesburg. And the publisher, Publish Co. And click OK. And there we go. So if you look at our master list as well as our current list, we've got information in both. Let's add another. So I'm going to go to New, leave it as book. I'm going to add an author. Let's say Orange Dave, and say add. Click OK. Title, refer to the world. And we're going to say the year is 2010. City, let's say Cape Town, and Publish Co. Click OK. So as you can see, it's just like filling out a form. So each time we go, we can just fill out a form. So I'm going to change the type of source. I'm going to say the source now is a website. Let's say the author is unknown. The name of the page is going to be How Do I Reference? The site, though, How to Use MS Word. The year 2009. Let's say the month 09, and let's say 01. The URL is important to add into this. So I'm going to go http://www.microsoft.com, and I'm going to click OK. So as you can see, I've got a master list as well as my current list that I'm going to actually utilize. So I can add to these lists, but I'm going to leave it for now and go close. So let's say the first sentence here is actually coming from a source. So I'm going to click and I'm going to go Insert Citation. Let's choose the second option. And we are now citing this. Let's say the last sentence. There we go. But now if I want a list of all the sources, so I'm going to go to the end of my document. I'm going to create a new page. Where I have bibliography, I'm going to click the drop down arrow. And as you can see, I've got bibliography or references. You can choose which one. It just changes the heading. So I'm going to choose references. And if I scroll up, as you can see, I now have my references. I also can change my style. So at the moment, by default, it's APA. Let's say Chicago. And it then changes the format in which you need to refer your information. Perfect. Thank you for joining me in on the session. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a fantastic day.